From Siteground.com, we can see that they offer share hosting, cloud hosting, dedicated server, and there is a missing of the VPS hosting plan. From here, we can see that the conventional single server VPS hosting is not being provided at here, and it is being replaced by the cloud hostings. So in comparisons, we know that the cloud hosting is much better compared to the single server VPS plan. In some other web hosts, we still can see the VPS being offered at about $20 to $30 price range, and that is sitting on a single server with the software clusterings. So that means there's one server being software using the virtually divide the software into at least 10 or 20 partitions, and that is where the VPS is being hosted and running. At SiteGround hosting, they are not using this anymore, and they are using the more advanced, the cloud hostings. That means they can link multiple servers together to form a cloud network, and the website is actually hosted within this cloud network. And what they offer is ultra fast response time, more flexibility, and auto scalability. You can size up and size down your cloud hosting plan at any times. The performance is very fast because we now having a cloud network with lots of servers that is available and able to serve the web page at the very shortest times, and this is the pure advantage of the cloud hosting. When looking at VPS plan, we know most of the enterprise, they will choose to upgrade from share hosting to VPS plan, and that is meant for the business website. For cloud hosting, the most important advantage is their uptimes, the service uptimes, which is much better compared to VPS. VPS uptime we are rated at about 99.9, and for the cloud hosting we can go even further to 99.99%, and some web hosts even provide up to 100% uptime guarantee for their cloud networks. And from the cloud hosting, we can see their hosting price is actually about from $80. Last time they have a smaller plan from $60. That one is discontinued, and now it's starting from $80. And if comparison with the other web hosts that offer VPS plan, their practical plan will be costing you about $30 to $40. Some cost about $50, and that is a single server hosting plans. In comparisons of the performance and the uptime rating, I still think that the cloud hosting have the more advantage and more suitable for business website. If you are running e-commerce or any merchant site, I think the cloud network is necessary and you cannot skip this. And most importantly, SiteGround, they already upgraded into SSD storage space. That means the performance to retrieve data, I/O performance will be much better and faster. And it comes with an impressive 5 TB of data transfer. That means if you are going to host some media sharings, website, galleries, or any content website, this plan will be suitable for you because it has a very fast SSD space, and with up to 5 TB of data transfer. This means it will be giving you sufficient bandwidth, and also the storage with the very high performance speeds in I/O. That is come to the enterprise class service. That means all this is designed for commerce. If you are doing business website, this will be for you. It comes with the VIP support with 1 hour response, and no waitings on chat or phone with less than 10 minutes reply on tickets. So this is the upgraded VIP support. And the next thing to notice is that it comes with the WHM control panels and also the cPanels. This is very similar to the VPS hosting if you are the user of VPS hosting, and I have personally used WHM before. The configurations are more complicated and require more technical skills. If you are unexperienced in this, you should consider either you need to upgrade to cloud hosting or VPS hosting, and that will be the first bottleneck, and that you need to go through the technical bottleneck. So if you are not equipped with the necessary knowledge, WHM will be a very tough thing for you to get started. So bottom line, the VPS is a thing in the past, and the single server architecture is something that is unreliable, we can say. And what the future lies in is the cloud hosting network, and what Siteground offering is the something in beyond, something in futures, and they are doing the right path, I can say. And if you are doing business website and you require a VPS plan, why not you consider this Siteground cloud hosting instead. Pay an extra price, about $80 a month, and you can get access to the best hardware, storage speed, and also the data transfer up to 5 terabyte. I think this is a very good bargain. And once again, all my videos are ads free. You can click the like button to support my videos, and also subscribe to my channels. I posted quite a lot of videos recently, and hopefully you can sign up using my promotion link at the description field as well. Thanks for watching.